So here we are on this absolutely gorgeous day, and I'm filming an empty space on our driveway. So what's all that about? Well, any of you who follow my channel will know that I do a lot of work, and one of my most popular videos has been on the Citroen C3 Picasso, and I've had over 13,000 views on that. So the reason I'm filming, and it's quite personal, and I've given it a lot of thought whether I should make this video or not, is we were involved in quite a serious accident, and the car, the Citroen, was a complete write-off. Had all my family in there as well, and it was a very shocking moment. But the most important thing is we all managed to walk away from it. So that was the be and all. So, cut a long story short, basically just driving along, and elderly lady just pulled out of a junction as we were driving along, and we went straight into her. But the most important thing is we walked away, and there's a couple pics there which will show you just how severe the accident was. Right, big shout out to anyone who can guess what the next vehicle will be on my drive. I'll give you a clue, it's Japanese.